Finishing treatment for brain cancer can be a confusing time. It's a time to celebrate, but there are often new challenges ahead. Previous research has shown that lots of areas of life are impacted by brain cancer and its treatment. This could be difficulties with friendships, losing some independence, trouble paying attention or focusing, and fatigue. All of these changes can be difficult to cope with, especially while trying to get back into normal life. Young people who've been through brain cancer often tell us about ongoing feelings of uncertainty about the future, anxiety, loneliness, depression, and feeling sad or a little lost about where to next. All of this can leave you feeling a bit isolated and a bit different to your friends. Even though we know there are these huge needs, we also know there are very few support programs in Australia made just for young people with brain cancer that help teach useful coping skills to help with these challenges. Beyond Brain Cancer is a research study focused on understanding what life is like for young people after they've finished treatment for brain cancer and improving supports to help them make a positive transition to life after treatment. We want to hear from adolescents and young adults who experienced brain cancer, as well as the family caregivers and health professionals who support them. We'd like to hear your thoughts on the changes and challenges you've experienced after treatment and what it's been like trying to get the psychological support you wanted or needed. If you take part, we would love to include you in an online interview through video conferencing. In this interview, we will also tell you a bit about an existing online group-based support program for young people who've experienced all different kinds of cancer called Recapture Life. We will ask you for your feedback about how relevant and useful this program would have been for you, considering your experiences with brain cancer. Your feedback will help us create a brain cancer-specific version of Recapture Life that we hope will help improve young people's emotional well-being following treatment for brain cancer. Once this version is developed, we would like to share it with you and hear your opinions on it in a small online focus group. Later on, we plan to pilot the new support program to make sure it's relevant and helpful for brain cancer survivors. We're excited to launch Beyond Brain Cancer, and improve support specifically for young people who experience brain cancer. We would love to hear from you if you are aged 15 to 40 years old and have finished treatment for a brain cancer or brain tumour and are now either in remission or with stable controlled disease. We would also be interested to hear from family caregivers or health professionals who support these adolescents and young adults. Please don't hesitate to get in touch. We would love to talk about the possibilities of you participating in the program.